Why do you want me to do that?
Okay. Good night, everybody. Soldier to survival. What? What chest?
I wrote it. I built it.
Yeah. Punk. Punk.
For what? What's the purpose? Tell me.
What's the one? What's the one?
How
What's
do we
the
get
one?
up there? Oh, there. In the ladder. No, what is this for? You can't even find
Yes,
it.
you can.
Look.
Watch the master.
That's cheating, man. That's what the ladder's for.
No. Watch this. Come on. The shit is to survival. About this. There is in the chest. What chest? I made that chest. That was your fault. So you put stuff in it.
Ah, Brennan!
You ruined it. What's wrong with you? You, Paul. What was that for? Hey, you pay with your dumb ideas, yo. You pay. Look what you did to our own world. You ruined our life. Yep. Shit's burning. Yes, he pays. That is shit. How did I get this? Yes, you can. You could just like play like this and just try to make a way up. And some chests are still good. Alright, it's gonna be fixed. In 20 hours? Oh crap. We built this whole thing just to make a video of Hunger Games for our fans. And now, this disaster. Everything is kind of shrinking. Some stuff are shrinking. It's shrinking. The water's gonna be okay. The water's going down. Ah. What are you doing? We could have made it good. You put witches. You, punk. The wire was just working. They punks. Life is ruined. Just because some mother beep. The outside looks fine. Died. You punk. It's still a flood. Let me get in. You want to do it the hard way. That's what they want. Okay. No! There's epic explosion! Let's see. Wait, guys, let's put a lot of TNT in here, and then when we put it to survival and we have a match, let's see who can survive. Yeah? Let's see. All of them are gonna die. We're gonna protect ourselves. That's what. Hey, look, this floor's not that broken. The floor that Steven did a lot of stuff is not that broken. It's gonna be an epic disaster. Don't explode it! What are you mother bitch? Oh crap! Oh, we're done. We're done. Wow! Wow! Like every time the pigs exploded. Oh, that's a nut. Oh. Oh. Isn't this amazing? Oh, that's it for today's video. Amazing explosion.